Hey y'all, it's Maxine, your favorite wine specialist, guiding you on your journey through fine wine. And a year ago today, I decided to say that to you all every week and every time I do a video. Today is our, not mine, is our 1 year anniversary. And I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for tuning in each time. Thank you for liking and commenting and subscribing and liking my Instagram posts. And this is really cool. I will say what started off as I had some free time. Well, I'll go ahead on and tell you all the truth now because we're all family and I've told plenty of my business so far. I had a failed attempt at grad school and it just did not go as planned. So I said to myself, hey, I have this free time. What am I going to do now? So I was like, let me try wine again. As you all know, I previously worked in the industry and really walked away from it when I switched my careers. But that wine bug never left me. So I was like, you know what, let me try my hand at this. And what started off as in my Instagram stories as just a Q&A because many people were asking me wine questions, I decided, hey, let's go to video. And on today, I went to video a year ago today. And it has been an interesting experience. What started off as me just kind of freestyling it, seeing where it goes and see who likes it. Then I began interacting with you guys and hearing, where's Monday Wine Q&A if I didn't post? Or I look forward to Mondays because of Monday Wine Q&A. Hearing those things really encouraged me. And whenever I would be out and interact and people would just make comments about it, it was very surreal that people were actually watching it. And I don't have any notes. I'm really going from the dome with this. So pardon me if I am rambling a little bit. I hate rambling, but that's life. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much to you guys for making this possible, because there is no Monday Wine Q&A without subscribers, without followers, without comments, without you guys' feedback. I would just kind of be talking to myself. and I greatly appreciate, I really am. My heart is really grateful that you all are growing with me on this journey. And I want to also acknowledge just the wonderful people I've had the opportunity to meet just on this journey. Some of you all I have met, some of you all I haven't met. Those I've had the opportunity to spend time with, you all are amazing. I've gathered so many new friends within this wine community. It has been exhilarating and I am just so grateful. I know I've said that a lot, but I really am. When I was looking at the calendar and I was like, oh my goodness, like I am approaching a year. Like I've been doing this for a year, and I will admit, there are weeks that I do not want to do this, guys. I am not going to tell you all a lie. And on those downtimes, and I'm just like, oh gosh, I don't feel like doing this today. Someone always sends a comment. Someone always posts something that just always kind of gives me that push. And it's just like, keep going. And if you have ever asked me any questions or given me a suggestion, you know that I listen. So it's just really exciting that I get to grow with you guys. And it is such a privilege that you all have chose me to do your wine journey with, to do your fine wine journey with. There are so many wine educators that are on the market, but the fact that there's something about me that has drawn you guys to me, I am grateful, and I do not take that task lightly. So here is to another year together. May 2019 be amazing. May we grow, may we thrive, and may we keep drinking fine wine. Until we meet again, drink good, live well. And I know I usually cut it off by now, but thank you again from the bottom of my heart. You all are amazing. Cheers to you all. And I'm gonna sip again. I'm going for real this time. Bye, y'all.